Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I make content on all different things including horticulture, hair, bags, and my life. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. So on today's video, I actually want to do an update. This update has to do with, let's just get you out the frame, my $85, I believe this was either a 6-inch potted or an 8-inch potted variegated Hoya Compacta Carnosa. 6 or 8-inch potted. Mind you, this is a 4-inch pot with only 2 branches. $85, guys. So if you're interested in just pretty much seeing this update, then keep on watching, okay? Alright, this video is not going to be too long. It's just to let you guys know, update you on the video. I think it's called rescuing like my own plant, like my Hoya Compacta Carnosa Variegated. But I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Look at this mess. This is pretty much just a bunch of dead twigs. I've had this in here for about a month now. I've been meaning to do an update on this video, but I've been so over this plant that the desire to even film has not, like, to even do an update of this plant has not been there. I'm so pissed and so annoyed. This is my first technically real online plant purchase. I have gotten plants in the past years from like Amazon, but from like a real person where I've cut, like, you know who I am. It's like personally going to someone's plant shop and getting a shitty plant. You know, I don't know if that makes sense, but when you personally speak to people and then they're like, okay, I'm gonna go pack it and ship it to you, I feel like you expect to get the plant that was in the photo. The plant that I got, a box full of just like handfuls of variegated petals, a plant that's yellow, more yellow and dried and dying, more dry and falling off, more yellowing, drying. I got a box full of dead leaves. So mainly I believe the seller had no knowledge of how to properly pack plants or ship plants, and I think if you're willing to take that much money from someone, you should know how to properly pack and ship a plant. So I think that's the main issue with the plant that I received, was that when I received the plant, it was dying. It had a lot of like shock from the weather, like from the shipment, and even though it was really warm outside, that shouldn't be a reason why my plant comes yellow, shriveled, just sick looking. So pretty much every single branch that I tried to propagate was unsuccessful, and that might be at fault to me. I should have maybe done better research on this specific plant on how to propagate it, because they don't propagate the same, I guess, as more foliage sort of plants like the micans, the pothoses, the monsteras. They're succulents, so I had to, I guess, propagate it completely different. So you know what, I'll take the blame for the ones that I have cut and attempted to propagate. But the ones that died before I even attempted. The reason I decided to propagate my plant was because the whole lot was dead. The whole lot was dying, was dead. So I wanted to preserve my $85 purchase as much as I could, but it really didn't. So super disappointed about just this whole plant situation. Yeah, so this is with this part, and I'm so happily and like thankful that I did not cut every single branch off, because I would have ended up with a whole entire $85 gone into the trash plant, and that would have made me even more annoyed or more pissed off. But I decided to just, I think I had like 3 in here, one of them died, so now I only have 2. And these have been like suffering, and I've been struggling with mealybugs with this plant since I got it, since I've gotten this plant. And I don't remember when I purchased this plant, either maybe September or October or before. I don't remember when I purchased this exact plant. It's had mealybugs, and that might have been another reason why my plants were dying off so much, because they were infested with mealybugs. And the only reason I was able to catch on to that was, I don't even know, this plant has been living with my other plants since I've purchased it. But I decided to just inspect the plant for some weird reasons, for some odd, uncommon reason, and I'm like, whoa, what the hell are these little white things on my plant? Mealybugs. So I decided to purchase neem oil, and I've been attempting to treat this for over a month now with neem oil, and that has not done anything. The mealybugs, they just come back the next day. They just come back, so I actually have some ladybugs in the mail coming in. So I've been dealing with some pesky insects like mealy freaking bugs. So I got some ladybugs to deal with this, because honestly I can't afford to lose this plant. I wanted this plant so badly, and I decided to get a large plant. I decided to invest a lot of money in a large plant because I wanted a large plant. I was impatient enough because I purchased the thing from the Amazon, and the man sent me a scam. He sent me a nub of a variegated Compacta Carnosa. So that was just like bad with that. Then I decided to, I'm like, whoa, I found this amazing deal on Facebook Marketplace. Let me pay this person. It was my first Facebook Marketplace purchase, and the person, we spoke, so they were kind and I felt comfortable. But I guess the New Yorker in me, the black girl in me, the Haitian in me, I don't know what the hell happened to it, but I was bamboozled because I paid the person through the friends and families. I'm a dummy. It's because I wanted them to get the full payment. That's why I wanted to pay the person the full price so they could get their full money, instead of them getting charged a couple dollars and me being protected with the chance to dispute this purchase. I lost all of those rights because of how I paid the seller. So super fail on my part because of that. So like I said, I have some ladybugs in the mail. They should be arriving before the new year, so I'm definitely gonna release them around my house, because I also have some spider mites and fly gnats, which, if you have a lot of plants, guys, you know, bugs and little pests are inevitable. So that's one thing to keep in mind. It's not going to be always just like green and rosy and peachy and super happy. Well, like I have these plants, you're going to have to deal with bugs, and that's just the reality of being a plant parent. So that's really all I have to say with this plant. It looks horrible. This plant was just, I I really just wanted to recover. I don't want to be negative. I don't ever like to be negative about things because I'm a big believer in like the power of the tongue. I really believe in manifestation, the secret, all of that. It's all in what you speak. So if you keep your aura negative, if you keep your mindset negative, if you keep your just everything about you negative, then you can't always expect good things to happen, you know, because negativity, you live in a cloud of negativity. So how can you ever see positivity when all you're ingesting and it's like releasing our negativity? So I'm keeping positive. Screw you to the seller who sold me a sick plant, a plant with bugs. You're fucked up. And oh, also they like, I've contacted them about this and they pretty much ignored me. Like, who does this? Like, people are just, I hope you enjoy the money that I paid you for this plant, and the giver never lacks. So keep giving people sick plants, because you'll always keep having horrible, unhealthy plants. I don't even know where I was trying to go with this video, so it's going to be a longer one, and again, I do apologize. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, share. What are some of the bad plant purchases that you've gotten? And keep an eye out, because this week I will be releasing a new video every single day. Please do keep an eye out. And the next video coming up, I'll be doing my worst purchases of 2019. So I will see you in that video. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and let's get growing.